Adding, addition of 3 and 2-digit numbers. When adding 3 and 2-digit numbers, we can break the numbers into easier chunks. 427 plus 38. 427 is the same as 400 plus 20 plus 7. And 38 is the same as 30 plus 8. 400 plus 20 plus 7 plus 30 plus 8. It's the same as 400. Then if we add the tens, 20 plus 30 equals 50. And then we need to add the ones, 7 plus 8. So 400 plus 50 is 450. 7 plus 8. We turn the 7 into 10 by 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10 and there's another 5. So 450 plus 10 plus 5 is 465. Or we can split numbers into columns. 376 plus 44. Make sure you line the numbers up in the right columns. 3 is 3 hundreds, 70, 7 tens and 6 ones. 40 is 4 tens and 4 ones, 44. Now we start adding in the ones column. 6 plus 4 is 10 on number bond, and if we go over 10, we carry to the next column. So the ones is 0 and we carry the 1, the 10 forward. Now the next column, 7 plus 4 plus the 1 we've carried over. 7 plus 3 is our number bond to 10, so we end up with 7 plus 3 or 10 plus 1 plus another 1, which equals 12. We write the ones, the 2 and carry the 10 forward. Now the next column, we have 3 plus the 1 carried forward, which is 4. So our total equals 420. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do. There are 230 police officers at a police station. They're joined by 95 police officers from another station. How many police officers are there altogether? What's the question asking you to do? It's asking you to add 230 and 95. So 230 plus 95. It's the same as 230 plus 90 plus 5. To take 230 to the next 100, we need to add 70. So we take 70 from the 90 to make 300 and we have 20 left. 300 plus 20 plus 5 equals 325. So there are 325 police officers altogether. Sometimes questions will include units. Katie earns £196 a week in wages and £45 from tips. How much does she earn in a week? What's the question asking you to do? Add £196 and £45. We add the numbers as normal and remember to include the right units in the answer. So 196 plus 45. We take 4 from the 45 to move 196 to the next 10 or the next 100. It's the same as 200 plus 41, which equals 241. So don't forget the units. Katie earns £241. Read the question carefully. You need to choose the right information. Carrie's shopping bag weighs 277 grams. She adds an apple that weighs 57 grams and an orange that weighs 89 grams. How heavy is the bag without the apple? What's the question asking you to do? Add the shopping bag, 277 grams, and the orange, 89 grams. We don't need to add the apple. We can ignore that one. In our columns we have 277 plus 89. And we start in the ones column. 7 plus 9 equals 16. We write the 6 and carry 1 forward. Now we have 7 plus 8 plus another one that's carried forward equals 16 again. We write the 6 and carry the 1 forward. Now 2 plus 1 carry forward equals 3. So we have a total of 366. The bag weighs 366 grams. Don't forget the units. Some questions have more steps. The amount of water drunk by the friends is shown. True or false? Akio drank more water than Olivia and Eva together. What's the question asking you to do? Find how much water Olivia drank, and then how much water did Eva drink, and then add these two together. Then find out how much water Akio drank, and compare to see which is bigger. So let's look, what did Olivia drink? 224 millilitres. And what about Eva? She drank 98 millilitres. So we need to add together 224 plus 98. In our columns, 4 plus 8, we use 6 from the 8 to make 4 into 10. So we have 10 plus 2, which is 12. Write the 2 and carry 1 forward. Now we have 2 plus 9 plus 1. 9 and 1 is our number bond to 10, so we have 2 plus 10 or 12. We write the 2 and carry the 1 10 forward. In the hundreds column, we have 2 plus the 1 carried forward, which equals 3. So altogether they drank 322 millilitres. Now what about Akio? Akio drank 354 millilitres. Now we can compare the two. 354 is bigger than 322, so the answer is true. Akio did drink more than Olivia and Eva together. Or we could get the answer quicker by estimating. Eva drank just under 100 millilitres, drinking 98, and we could quickly see that 224 plus 100 would give us 324, which is less than 354. So we could do the answer by estimating. Remember, when adding 3 and 2-digit numbers, we can break the numbers into easier chunks. Or we can split the numbers into columns. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do. And if units are involved, add the numbers as normal and remember to include the right units in your answer.